Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Ezekiel Akingbola. Today in the video, I'd like to show you how to add reference to your site, to your work using EndNote. I know most people have been having issues with a citation using EndNote. So this video is just to help you get your references very easily and build a library from EndNote. So after you have successfully installed EndNote, it is going to show up on your Microsoft Word this way. So let me know if you have issues installing EndNote on your system or anything, but this procedure is still basic. The installation procedure is basic for EndNote. So let me quickly go through it. So the first thing I'm going to do is that, for instance, this statement here, from here to this place, let's say you want to add a reference at this point. So all we need to do is that and you have the list of reference. Let's say you have the reference from a journal or something, and let's say this reference, this particular quote or what is here is it's a reference. Let me just get something. Let's say this is the person who W. Foch is the one I want to pick his reference. So you can see from here it's showing me import to EndNote. So for you now, I'm sure this import to EndNote will not be there. So how do you get this import to EndNote to be visible? So what you do is that you come to this part of your browser. So you can use your phone. If you're using your phone, you see a three button, dotted button. You click on it here, and you come to settings. On the settings aspect, you would see your options. You can see the options I have. Bibliography manager, don't show any citation import link, show links to import citation into. So now you can see mine is at EndNote, so you make it to be at EndNote and you save the changes. I hope that's very clear. So that's how EndNote will be showing up here. Now, so I want this particular citation for my work. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this import into EndNote. So it's going to download EndNote for me, and you can make sure EndNote is already opened. If not, you can open it from here. You open the document itself here. Okay, this is the document here. So most times this document is well arranged. The content, let's open it up and see what I'm saying. Look at it now. The journal is mixed up with the author. So I think it's almost for all the different journals you're going to find on Google Scholar. Don't forget that this is Google Scholar. Please note that this is Google Scholar. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to copy out the journal type, and paste it at where the journal should be. You can arrange it and set it up properly. Okay, then come back and delete it from here. You delete this, delete all this, so then you're good. I hope that's clear. So what you do, there's no way you could just save by closing and click on yes. So it has rearranged. You can see the author's arrangement, the year, the title, the journal, volume, and every other thing is in order. Is that again? So now let's go back. Just note the first name here, Fuchs. That's what I want to cite there. So I come back to my work. So I put my mouse here, put a space because I want a space to be in front of that. Then I cite. Come to EndNote on Microsoft Word. Click on Insert Citation here, and then search for the name. What's the name again? I think it's Fuchs. F-U-S. I think. No. I think I didn't get it right. F-U-C. Sorry, F-U-C-H. F-U-C-H. Okay, so you see that showing up. Look at it here. So you just double click on it. Double click on it, and it has cited it here. You see that it's very simple and very easy to do. So now, for instance, if I have a list of citations, now you can see that it has already referenced it here. So you just put your reference here. Immediately you are citing, it's going to add up the reference below. below it. You can format the reference later on, so it makes it easy. So imagine if you are making a correction. I am currently working on my research work now, and I noticed that there's some citations, things I cited, and my supervisor asked me to remove them. So it's very easy for me to remove without having to come and be tracking my references. So if I'm going to be deleting this reference now, I highlight it all and I delete it, then immediately I'll not be seeing anything here again. So it's very simple and it's very easy to use. So let me know if you have any other question. I'll try to release as many videos as possible to follow this particular video up. Thank you. Let me hear your question. Let me get your question on the comment section. Don't call me if you know me personally. Just drop the message, the questions on the chat, on the comment section. Then I'll reply or make a video to answer your question. Thank you very much, and do have a great day ahead of you.